Here we land on the most important part of the question paper if you are aiming at a 40 out of 40 marks, right? I'll start with the second question, then I'll discuss the first question. So I'll limit this to question number 2. This is a word problem in your revision worksheet. Please have the revision worksheet and write the points when I'm writing, when you're watching the video. Your teacher is giving a test worth how many points? So the total worth of the exam or your score is evaluated for 100 marks, okay? See, generally when you write a test, you have 2 marks questions, you have 3 marks questions, you have 4 mark questions. So you are not having 100 questions, but you are having 100 marks, right? The test contains 40 questions, right? The test has only 40 questions to solve. Some questions are worth 2 points and some questions are worth 4 points. So there are 2 categories of questions. How many mark questions are there? You have 2 mark questions and you have 4 mark questions. And what he gave you is, this is very simple to understand, that there are 2 types of questions. I don't know how many questions each. I don't know how many 2 mark questions are there. I don't know how many 4 mark questions are there. But all I know is, if I add the total number of questions, right, the total number of questions are equals to 40. So what I say is, I will say that the number of 2 mark questions are X and the number of 4 mark questions are Y. So now what I can write here is, if I know that these two are equal to X and Y, I know that X plus Y will be equal to 40 because these are the only 2 kinds of questions in the paper. So this is my first equation. And the second equation is, because each of the question in this category is carrying 2 marks, the total weightage or the total marks given by these questions will be 2 times X plus total marks given by them in the second category will be 4 times Y. And this should be equal to what? 100. Done. This is my equation 2. You can repeat this video any number of times to understand this. At the very moment you understand that very small thing, then you are free, and you will understand everything what I'm speaking, okay? So now let's solve this question by what method? I'll choose the method. Which method I have to choose? Let us decide by looking at the questions. I have 2x plus y equals to what? 40. Sorry, 2x plus 4y equals to what? 100. Write the big one, which is right. So let me say 2x plus 4y equals to what? 100. And x plus y equals to 40. I will multiply the second equation by 2. You know the reason why I am multiplying, okay? So I'll multiply the second equation by 2. I'll get the new equation as 2x plus 4y equals to 100 and 2x plus 2y equals to 40. It should be 80, I'm sorry, because I'm multiplying by 2, right? Now I'll subtract this, I'll eliminate this. So if you eliminate this, then you will get 4y minus 2y equals to 2y and 100 minus 8 equals to 20. Divide by 2 on both sides, you will get y equals to 10, right? If you get y equals to 10, that means the 4-point problems are 10. Out of 40, 4-point problems are 10. So 2-point problems will be 40 minus 10, which should be 30, right? Because we know x plus y equals to what? 40. And x is what? 10. Equals to what? 40. X equals to 40 minus 10, which should be equal to what? 30. Right? So this is how you are going to solve the word problems. and this problem is very important, as you know.